Alright, so here is the car fridge. We bought a bigger one since this one has more room. Right now it's just starting up. It's already nice and cool. Has the little drainage hole there, but also plugs into the car. You can actually plug this into the wall if you wanted to use this at home for any reason. Right now it's set on max. You can set this on equal as well. You do have the Bluetooth connectivity, so you have to hook it up there too, but it's nice and quiet. It doesn't sound like anything. So we've already used this once for camping. It's been working out really well, especially when it's hot out. You wanted to keep things cool, and we hook it up to the power station. So great little unit.